Well, g'day everybody, and thanks for joining me. Well, I'm off to Swanbank. Now, Swanbank is about 10 minutes drive from my place. Pretty handy, let me tell you. And there is an old rail station out there and a power station and a lake. The lake being toxic, don't get in it, otherwise you won't get out of it. The rail station is used a couple of times a year for the steam train there and the Historical Society. Awesome little place. Now, Ari came out with me, so there was a little bit of this, a little bit of that. Ari decided to go for a walk. And as I've worked out, Ari is quite easily startled. And he walked further than he thought. He needed a little bit of a rest on the way back. So let's talk magnetic interference, and let me tell you, there is a lot of it when you're flying over rail line. The drone, I was getting warnings the whole way, recalibrate compass. Now, very difficult to keep the drone at an altitude and in its direction of travel when you're going flat knackers over these rail lines like I was. I did a lot of passes to try and get a shot that I wanted to get it nice and steady. Very difficult to do. One of my passes, I was actually going sideways, so I'm over the platform, ripping around, and instead of pulling up like it usually does when you put the brakes on, it pulls up and then floats all over the place, and I nearly crashed into a post. So anyway, a few calculated risks doing this sort of thing, I guess. But anyway, please enjoy the footage I have here at the Swanbank, and I shall see everybody on the next one. Ciao.
Stars driving down the boulevard at night, playing Coldplay on repeat, watching people on the street as I go by. And it doesn't even matter to me where I go, I just feel I need to take a ride. Got my coffee cup to go, and I'm gonna hit the road tonight. Now my wheels in motion and my windows open with the wind blowing in my hair. I'm driving down the highway, gonna do this my way. I can feel it in the air. Here I go. Now my wheels in motion and my